Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ka West Bengal ka balongru ka Nongïalam bahalordo ka Trinamool Congress ka Mamata Banerjee ka sngi baar kalaong bamaka bat ki way pat ki Nongïalam ka seng kim don jing tmu ban Synshar na Kolkata ya ka Meghalaya Henry ki Nongïalam na Meghalaya hi kin Synshar ya ka ni ka jilla habakren shi ki nong tre jong ka seng TMC ha Shillong ka Banerjee kalaong baki khon na ka ni ka jilla hi kin Synshar ya ka Meghalaya nakaliang jongka bat ki way ki Nongïalam ka TMC kin shuyarap ban ai jingmut bat amban wan Synshar hi daladi kala penram kala krensha bagajing tmu kamdei ban Synshar na Kolkata henroi ki Nongïalam kin yarap ban wanra ya ka roy kapar hagani ka jilla.
Our intention is not to capture the power. Our intention is not to control Meghalaya from Kolkata. But our intention, your son of the soil, they will take care. Only we as your sister, Abhishek as your brother, we can help you, we can advise you, we can give you the assistance. We can discuss with the industry, give some industry. Because in my state so many industrialities there. We'll ask them, give them the tourism program, more and more. Do we have the safe house tourism program in Meghalaya? No, we do it. We give 1 lakh rupee to every family to set up a room for outsiders, for tourists. And they get all the, whatever they earn, because they supply the food. They supply the bed and everything. So they get the income. It is not here. They are telling me Bengalis. Yes, I am Bengali, I am proud to say. But I am for all India. I worked as a railway minister twice. Then you didn't say I am a Bengali. I worked for coal and mines. I worked for women and child minister. I worked for youth and sports minister. And I am the MP of 7 times. Do you know once what happened? CPM captures all the seat. Only I was alone. And CPM said, now Trinamool is finished. And I said, you cannot finish us because we will survive, because we can fight. Our battle is too much. Every day we are fighting. They are not giving us money. Nothing. But can you tell me if anything is stopped? Gramin Rasta Sorok jo hai, village road, we are number 1 in India. The housing program, we are number 1 in India. Even 100 days job, we are number 1 in India. That's why they have stopped the money. Education, it may be you compare, it is number 1, Jadavpur University. The Calcutta University is number 2. St. Xavier's University is also there. And I am proud to see my Christian brothers and sisters that St. Xavier's offered me delete. Because I am their alumni. Though I didn't study at St. Xavier's, but I am associated with them and they announced me alumni. I used to go for their Xmas Day program. This land also I have given the St. Xavier's University. They have started the St. Xavier's from last 2 years. They started St. Xavier's University, and now it is beautiful, excellent. You must go, you must visit, and you must see. Meghalaya will be for Meghalaya, and Meghalaya will be always charming and smiling. I am assuring you to create the infrastructure, to create the Meghalaya as a beautiful state from all point of view, tourism, to industry, to mining, to student, to youth, to farmers, to minorities, we will take care. Don't you think only I came today? It is not. I'll come so many days. Because when I love somebody or love some state, there it is my duty. Even Abhishek will be also coming. Now Abhishek is only working for Meghalaya. Goa, our problem is there was no leadership. But Meghalaya, our advantage is we have so many leaders. Charles is there, Mukul Sharma is there, and he is the ex-chief minister. Who can say that tomorrow also they will be the chief minister? And they will work for the Meghalaya? I believe